Thank you, sir. So, before inviting our chairperson, let me take this opportunity to introduce our eminent speaker, Dr. Bharat Kale, sir, Emeritus Professor, MIT University, Pune, ex-Director General Center for Material for Electronics Technology, CIMET. Sir has completed his Masters in Physical Chemistry and PhD in Chemistry from Pune University. Sir has 29 years of research experience and specially work related to COVID-19, polymer swab and antiviral nanocoating on mask. Sir has 289 publications on chemistry in international journals, received 26 patents, 3 technology transfer, and organized 3 international conferences. So far, 22 students completed their PhD under his guidance. Sir has completed 3 international projects in collaboration in different universities from Japan, US, and Korea. And Sir has also completed 24 projects funded by various well-known agencies like ISRO, DST, MNRE, etc. And right now he is working on 8 different projects. Sir has honored with 14 prestigious national and international awards like Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, London, Academician Asia Pacific Academy, Vasnik Award of Industry, MRSI Gold Medal, Brain Pool Fellowship from South Korea, and many more. It's my honor to invite Dr. Bharat Kale sir to start his session on innovative journey to patent.
Good morning to all, and thanks to Kannade sir for giving us opportunity to say something about patents and all. Now I'm today sandwiched in between one student and my guide. Dr. Amanerkar is my mentor. He was the earlier executive director, then I became a director. So many things I learned from Dr. Amanerkar. And same Dr. Kannade is a very good student, my first student, and I think when we started in 2005, and fortunately then there was a opportunity to go to Korea to him also, and then he was there with me for 1 year in Korea, and we had a good time together, and good research already we have done there. And Kannade sir, though he's a principal, he got many publications. You can see his biodata, right? So this is my second time to visit this college. First time I have visited maybe in 2012 or 13. That time this building was not there, and only small building was there, and it was just picking up. And that Avishkar program was there, and that I was the reviewer of that some projects. And I find very good projects from you people, and I can recollect that. So the students here are young, very intellectual students, and they can do better. I can see from the previous experience. Considering today's theme, like the innovation and how to take patents, and then the entrepreneurship is very, very important today, because if you see the government policies today, they are more prone to entrepreneurship. If you can see the website of all MIT, means Ministry of Electronics Information, DST, MNRE, they have a separate group for entrepreneurship. You can have the startups, and then you can get R&D funding for the startups. That is also there. You can have the loan for the startups. So all these things are available, but before that we should be prepare ourselves for this. That is very important. what we need today is a good technology. See, marketing is a very, very sensitive area, because market is changing every day, every week of any product. Mainly stability is this pharma products. They have a stability, and still there is a the new molecules for drugs are coming in the market, and the marketing of these new drugs, if you want to do, then startups is a good for it, because then you can have the time for your profit and all these things. Like intermediate products, pharma needs many intermediate products, and they are coming from Hyderabad, then Andhra Pradesh, like Visakhapatnam. If you there, the transport from coming from to here in Pune or in Mumbai, the cost is increasing. If you can see today, almost more than 1,000 intermediate products are there. I think maybe I may be wrong, but more than 1,000 intermediate products are still we are importing, as well as it is coming from other states. So we have good opportunity to work on these intermediate products, whether we can take further for these companies, because we have a lot of other like Lupin is there, then Cipla is there. Many pharma companies are there. Small pharma companies also there, right? Suppose you have any idea, you can take the idea patents. Suppose you see that my idea is going to change the world, my idea is going to change something. Before going to the experimentation, you can take the idea patent, right? So your idea will not be hijacked by anybody, because then you file a patent for idea, then go further for the experimentation. Another patent is innovative, for innovation. Suppose you have done very innovative work and it is going to change the society, or it's going to change any company's things. That is you can have innovation patents. Another is a product patent. There is no any product in the market, and this product is going to change something, or suppose it's a replacement for, see, one drug is there for cancer, and your drug will alternative for that. That is a new product. So that is also we can have the product patent. In some of the places, like some big companies, small change in design of the plants, they can increase the efficiency of the plant. So design patent is also important. Small changes in design, if you get the efficiency, if you can get the yield in the product, whether it is a pharmaceutical, whether it is a chemical or other products. That is called a design patent, because design patent, each people in the, like in our organization, if you have any design patent, then that is a very crucial patent, because nobody can use that design. See, you can, there is a, if you see the stages of the technology, you can say TRL1, TRL2, TRL3, TRL4, up to TRL9. TRL9 means this is technology readiness level. It's from 1 to 9. 1 means you are just taking test tube and doing something, very initial stage. Some, I can say like idea or something like that. 2 and 3, just you are trying to achieve that, and some you get some 50% success of that. TRL4 means you have already done at research level, and you have come to the stage. Then 5, how you can scale up the product from some scale. And then design, everything is included in TRL 6, 7, and 9 is the commercialization. So you can commercialize the product when your technology is TRL 9 level. So there is a possibility to file patent from TRL 1, TRL 2 to TRL 9, because every stage there is addition in the knowledge. Right? So if you want to file the patent, then you have to consider whether you are going to file IDA patent, are you going to file innovative patent or design patent. And nowadays, very simple process for the filing of patent. We can also file online. You can fill up online. You don't need any. If you know how to write patent draft, then it is very easy to file the patent online. You file the patent, you just pay the fee, 12,000 rupees, 6,000 to 12,000 rupees fees in the online. As it is submitted online, then it will go to reviewers, no? Then you will get queries. You have to answer these queries. There may be 7, 8 reviewers, have different questions regarding your idea or regarding your innovation. You go on answering them. This is the first stage. Second, then there is again filtering of they will send to other reviewer for confirmation. Again, some queries will come, you have to answer. If all satisfies your answer, patent is granted. So then they will publish this patent. Then after publication, you will get the grant number of this patent. So this is the process. Now, earlier what used to happen, so we have to submit on physically by post. Then they will send it to our reviewers. Now there is a PDF file, they can send it to anybody and get it. So I think within 3 to 4 months, you get this patent number and everything. Many students came to me, I think, for this. One of our students, like, she was a girl, and she has designed some drawing system. And she came that, sir, I wanted to file these patents. So when I have seen her all the structure of this oven and how this drying is, why it is new. She has done some recycling process inside and stopped the heat loss during the heating. That was her innovation. And I told her, so you just go to the website and patent website and file this patent. And she did it. After 2-3 months, she came back and told me, sir, it was fantastic. Within 3 months, I got the patent number. So this is the way. So you have to try. So instead of depending on others, you should try one, because everything is available. Why don't you try this? Then how to suppose you want to really want to go to the market, and you want to become a entrepreneurship. Then we really need patience, because it's a very entrepreneurship is again the very risky approach. Okay, unless and until you have some knowledge of that product, market of that product, you should not enter into the scheme. There are many, like you have in pharma, you have in other chemicals, then you have in electronics components, you have in electronic devices. Anything you can do, but you have to see first market, study the market. In case any company needs that continuously, let us have a MOU with them and make a contract up 2 years, 3 years, and then start. Then your market is sure, so you don't want to much worry about it. As soon as you prepare something, it will go to somewhere and you will get to start earning. If you are really paying you are putting our own money in the market. Other approach is, as I told you, that you should approach to the startup. Then another is LLP and private limited. There are 3 categories you can have. Suppose you have a group of people, maybe 7-8 people are coming together, register as a LLP, come together and have 2-3 products and enter into the market. UP means, and you have a good idea and you have already done some work and you wanted to do some work further and then register as a startup. Visit to that government sites wherever they are providing money for startups, right? You prepare your product profile, or if you want to do R&D for 1 or 2 years in the startup, say that I am going to have my technology, my product at this level. I want to take it to this level. Government provide you grant in aid. You need not pay again. It's your own product. They will say that you develop it and then you put it in the market. And this is the best. I think this is a very best, very good scheme. If somebody is having idea and they want to go further with it, register as a startup. 1 and 2 years you just work on it and market it. Then your risk level is coming down. No, you are not putting your own money. You are using government money, and further you can take our stakeholders' money and then go further. So this kind of I think this information for today is enough, because I would like to give. So a typical example I would like to give our patent filing of our apron. One apron we made for these doctors. That is X-ray absorbing, X-ray shading apron. In the market, it is a lead based. So why we are changing from lead based to without lead? Because lead is carcinogenic and lead is heavy. See, lead, when you have the apron with the lead, then the weight of this apron itself is 7 to 8 kg. The apron which cement has developed, it has the weight is only 2.5 to 2.7 kg. You know? So when doctors are using this regularly, when doctors are just operating somebody, so they are using all machineries with X-rays and all these things, where secondary X-rays come. There they need this kind of apron. So sometimes operation goes for 4 hours, 5 hours. So doctor were having this neck problem because of this apron, lead apron, because it's heavy. So they were very happy with this apron. Yes, 2.3 to 2.4 kg is good, and they will also have will not have this neck problem. So we have patented this. So what is the innovation in this? Is a material. It's a new material. other than lead, which absorbing X-rays. Other is a cost. It's much cheaper as compared to lead. Further, what is other advantage? Weight. Weight of the apron is much less, I think 1/3 than the conventional one. So this we have put in this and patent, and this patent is patented. Indian patent is, we file Indian patent as well as we file US patent. So both the patents we got for this for this idea, both the patents we have got from US also and from India also. So we have to think this way, how we can change, or how we can cut down price, or cut down how we can increase the life, or any innovation in this. So you have to think this way and file the patent. So thank you very much for calling me here, and if you need any help in this regard, we are always there. If somebody wants to make startups, they have some idea, we can help. So you can contact Kannade sir. You can always come to MIT. WP is a very well-known university. Now I've joined there. We have 23,000 students in MIT WP. Our engineering is an engineering hub, so almost 13,000 engineering students. We have law, we have management, then art, science, you have music, fine art, we have yoga and peace. That is the World Peace University, sir. Sometimes you can visit, and you can meet Dr. Gopinath there. Dr. Gopinath is working on how co-creation is very important, because when 7 and 8 people coming together of different background, and what is the advantage we get through this co-creation. So I would like to I think you love to hear that, and that's why I told him that you can also come and say something 10 minutes to the student how this helped. Thank you very much.